Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ahmed and in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide your followers and following on Instagram in just few simple steps. But before to begin this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications to stay updated with new uploads. And now, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first open your Instagram app, but before to begin this video, I want to tell you there is no official option from Instagram that allows you to hide your followers and following on Instagram. But there is a trick that allows you to hide your followers and following on Instagram. And the trick is to make your Instagram private. And to make your Instagram private, click on your profile, then click on three lines, scroll down, then click on account privacy, then turn on private account option, then click on switch to private. And like that you can hide your followers and following on Instagram, okay? Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, see you in next video. Bye.